Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making stir-fried eggs with barbecue pork and peas. So let's review the ingredients. I have a piece of a homemade Char Siu barbecue pork, and you can also get this at the Chinese deli. I have some frozen peas that have been rehydrated in water, eggs, yellow onion, green onion, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, Shaoxingwine, and sesame oil. For the prep, let's start off with cutting the barbecue pork. I'm going to slice it thin and shred it. And this is like a matchstick size pieces. Okay, that's done. Let me do a quick wash and we'll proceed with the rest of the prep. And next, let's mince the yellow onion. Okay, and we'll also mince the green onion. And lastly, we'll crack the eggs. And we'll give this a good whisk. At the same time, we'll add a little bit of the seasoning salt, some white pepper, sesame oil, and a bit of the Shaoxingwine. Give this a good whisk. Okay, that looks good. Now all the prep is done, so let's start cooking. I have the pan set at medium-high heat, and we're gonna cook off the onions first. Add oil. Add the onions. For about 15 seconds until the onions soften up a little bit. I'm going to add the peas, warm them up. Just give it a quick stir. I'm also going to add the barbecue pork. And just toss it for about a minute. Just want to heat up the barbecue pork. I'm also going to add just a little bit of the seasoning salt. We also want the barbecue pork to caramelize a bit. And you can see that it's kind of browning up. And that looks good. So remove this from the pan. Okay, so give the pan a quick wash and rinse. Dry it out. Pan is still set at medium-high heat. So we'll add oil. Add a generous amount. Cook the eggs. Give it a whisk before you put it in the pan. And just move the egg back and forth. You want the uncooked eggs to come to the center and cook. And we're going to cook the eggs until they're about 75% set. And this looks good. You don't want to overcook the eggs. And now we're going to add the Char Siu mixture back.
Let's give it a gentle scramble. We'll add the green onions. And turn off the heat. And this is done. You don't want to overcook the egg. So let's serve this. And the eggs will continue to cook once we plate it. And here we have a plate of stir-fried eggs with barbecue pork and peas. This humble home-style egg dish is another classic comfort food. The tender eggs have a nice sweet flavor from the peas and the caramelized barbecue pork. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, she likes Char Siu and eggs too. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.